what's going on. I'm out here today spraying the food plot, and first step, we mow. So we actually got her mowed already. Good day for spraying. It's about 95 degrees and just about hot as it gets for spraying and mowing, but it works great because everything dies real easily. So yeah, we came in here and mowed our little 1/4 acre plot. This is actually a pasture. I'm out at my uncle's today. Cows would be out here, so we got to put up an electric fence. But so yeah, so I got the mowing done. Next comes the spray. So I'll mix some of that and get some of the spray going, and we'll be on our way. Well guys, Dad's on his last lap of spraying. It's looking pretty good. I think we're gonna have a successful kill on this plot, especially if this heat keeps up. Be back out here in about 10 days to spray, or not to spray, sorry, to disc and plant some seed, run the new Cultipacker over it, and pray for rain. That's what we'll do. Alright guys, as you can see, we made it back out here to the food plot today. We are working on disking the plot, and then we have one truck today, so we actually have to go back and get the other trailer with the Cultipacker and the four-wheeler. But first step here is tractor and disc, and we've gone over this twice. It's pretty dang hard. They had about 1/10 of an inch of rain the other day. But we have a strong chance of rain in the forecast tomorrow, talking about 1 inch. So that would be great to have this seed on. So actually, what we normally do is we have a 55-gallon drum of water, and we set it right there in the middle rack. And whenever we fill that with water, it weighs 450 pounds, and it works great for help weighing that disc down, to help dig a little bit deeper, to fling a little bit more dirt. Tonight we just have 225 pounds of tractor weights, and actually I was riding on the back to help add even more weight to get us closer to our barrel. But I wanted to stop for a little bit and shoot a little video, but it definitely cuts a lot better with the more weight. Again, we run about 450 to 500 pounds on the back of that 6-foot disc, and the tractor knows no different, and the dirt sure does. So shortly here after this, we are going to wrap up disking. We'll load up, and we'll be heading back to town to switch for the trailer with the Cultipacker and four-wheeler, and we're going to get ready to plant this tonight to beat the rain tomorrow. Alright guys, as you can see now, we made it back with the second trailer, with the four-wheeler and the Cultipacker, and I think it's doing a pretty good job. I'll get a better shot of it when it gets up closer. But here's the first path. And here's the freshly disked up stuff. So yeah, so this Cultipacker is 5 foot wide, and it's got a weight rack on top, and we got 275 pounds of tractor weights on it for a grand total of about 675 pounds. So for total weight, so it looks pretty good going through. You can see. I think it's going to work out real good. We're smoothing the seed bed, getting it a little more ready for broadcasting, and then we're going to go ahead and Cultipack it one more time when we're all said and done, to have good seed to soil contact, and we will pray like crazy that it rains tomorrow. Alright guys, real quick, I want to take a second here and just say that I am planting Biologic Maxim in this food plot, and this year I'm trying out something new that I've heard some good things about. I got some Seed Coat by Delta Ag that I'm going to mix in this little bucket. Pretty much it just help make the seed a little more drought resistant, and get through some harsher conditions if we go without rain for a while. Hopefully that's not the case, but so I'm gonna go ahead and dump some seed into this bucket, and then a little bit of seed coat in, and mix it in and coat the seed. And then I got my little hand spreader here, and this Biologic Maximum is really, really small. I'll try to pour some out here real quick and put it in the bucket, just so you all can see. And maybe you can see, maybe you can't see, but I mean, these seeds are tiny, so tips of pens, more or less. So the seed coat, a little bit of seed coat go a long way. So we're gonna start coating it, and I'll dump it in my spreader. And as soon as he's done with the first round of Cultipacking, preparing the seed bed, I'll go out there and start broadcasting. And I got the fertilizer ready to go too. All right, guys, getting a little dark here and hard to see, but got the lights on the four-wheeler. The seed and fertilizer is down, and we are Cultipacking a final time to get that seed to soil contact that is so magical. So once we're done with this, we'll put our electric fence back up and we'll be good to go. So sorry about getting dark, but we did all this after work today and had to make a couple trips. So that's just how it goes. At least we got it in before the rain. So hopefully I can keep you guys up to date on a bi-weekly basis of how this plot's growing and doing. So I'm getting ready to put a fence, a little cage up so we can see how bad the deer are eating it down. I know you can't see it, but you'll see it in the future videos. So guys, thanks again for watching. I hope this has been enjoyable for you to watch. And maybe